we're back. We got another piece of fuckery for you guys. Check this out. So, I ordered the correct things for the trailer. Right there, look at that beauty. To haul the RZR. Okay, I ordered the right stuff. I spent like $150 on the right straps to hold it down and keep it from moving, which is, you know, typically a really good thing to have when it's traveling down the road. The problem here is that Amazon fucked me. They said the package is undeliverable for some reason. They got laid up in Kentucky. It's gone. These straps suck. Mostly it's due to me being an idiot. These chafed right through because I hook these hook ends right onto the stake pocket of the trailer. Right onto the stake pockets. And typically with chain that wouldn't be a problem. Nylon webbing, not so much. That's a problem. So we're gonna make this work. We are going to do we can do this one-handed. We're gonna do a strap delete. We're gonna cut a piece of chain off of my 80 feet of chain I have for the trailer. About 4 20-foot lengths, so I can spare just a little bit, I think. We're gonna chop it off. This bolt, my God, fits right through. And from here, we are just gonna loop the rest of this strap through like a lasso style and cinch it like I will show you here. Cinch it all down, and 4 of these will be way fucking overkill. But if you guys know me, you've been watching me for any amount of time, I kind of like overkill. That's kind of my fucking thing. Okay, guys, I'm back. Been a little bit. We made it to Tennessee just fine. We went to La Follette. We're in La Follette, Tennessee right now. Trucks and trailers are semi-various stages of being unloaded and loaded. We're gonna go riding. I gotta change. It's gonna be a fun time. Hopefully nothing breaks. Because we gotta rate 30 miles to the trailhead, and then we're gonna be riding all day. So we'll see what goes.
Sign off the storms, fueling
So here's our RZR after one day of trail riding in Lafayette, Tennessee. And of course we got the American flag. It's just a little rough, but it may be sacrilege, I'm not sure, but we have a flag. We're not trying to desecrate, we're just trying to honor those who were fallen. So let's get that out of the way. Got my buddy's other machine. That's an XP 1000. That's a 2019, I think. Very nice machine. This thing's rugged. We got another one back there, which is my other buddy's. That's an 800 Polaris. That thing's a fucking monster. Those two machines right here, the only two that survived the trails unscathed. My buddy, he blew up his steering. My other buddy, well, we'll go up there and we'll show him. He's on my trailer right now. But these performed perfectly. I wouldn't change anything about it other than maybe bring a sweater, because it's like 56 degrees right now. I'm like, holy shit, I thought I was gonna be sweating balls. I'm like, we were kind of shivering yesterday when we were up towards the Smokies, getting higher up, top of the world trail, I think it's called. Cold. So that's the only thing I'd change. Pretty cool unit. This is my buddy Justin's. It's very nice. I mean, it was nice. It's all shitted up now, but I spent 3 hours pressure washing ours, the Moose's, and see how that worked out. But she made it through. And then the truck performed flawlessly. The only thing, we were pulling some of these hills, getting there. We might have been flirting with around 220 degree transmission temperatures, according to my programmer. Probably a little high, but it was only for about 2-3 minutes. Not that bad, I don't think. I wouldn't do it every day, but I don't ever expect to come back here because the parking situation for the trailers pretty miserable. It may look good on camera, but there's like a shitty slope, and it's really tight here, and it's really bad. It actually doesn't look too bad on the screen on my phone, but it's miserable. But Cummins did fine. Did perfectly. So let's go up and look at my other buddies. You've seen him before. He's on the video, the big block flower pot. He's got a 1000 XP like me. This is a 17, but he's got the higher trim model, so it's got digital touchscreen, all that fancy shit, backup cameras. Like, ugh, too crazy for me. But once I get up this hill, I'll show you. Fuck. Okay, we made it. Whew. Here's the trailer, guys. It performed perfectly. It's amazing. 8.5 hour pull. I guess not too crazy for a lot of you guys, but for me, this is its longest pull ever. Hubs were just lukewarm by the time we got here. Everything was perfect. No scrubbing on the tires. Straight as an arrow. Stopped good. Just zero complaints. However, this thing we have on here, do have a complaint. Now, once again, this is not mine. This is one of my buddy's machines. About 8 hours in, on our way back out, something happened. Something happened. There's a little no-no hole. Yeah, that's not supposed to be there. So, no big deal. I don't know if I got footage on the way in, but this is how we hold both our machines. His here, mine there. I think it might have been flipped, but same thing. But they fit perfectly on the deck. It was just amazing. And those chain straps work amazingly. I'll go through it later. I'll break it down, or maybe I'll have footage before this, ahead of this, I don't know. Okay guys, that's basically it for now. There will be an update as we leave. This is the last day. They're out fishing on the boat. I'm on some medication that doesn't want me on a boat because there might be an accident, so I'm staying in and shooting some more footage for you guys. So let's do that. I'm not from the South, so every time I'm down here, gotta get me some Waffle House. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's happening. All-Star, here we go. Well, we decided to swing through and see if they're open today.
The destination is on your right. Cummins Power Stop.
I don't know if they're open.
I don't know, babe. They don't look open.
Well, find some parking.
Babes, you gotta pay better attention.
Quit filming me. Okay.
What?
It's closed. Memorial Day. I figured. Oh well. We made it, boys. Holy shit. That was a, I don't know, I'm not a big road trip guy. So 8.5 hours driving, actually 9 hours because we tried to go to the Cummins tour thing, but that didn't work. But everything perfect, perfect. We literally just pulled in. These hubs are just not even hot. They're lukewarm, which that's where they should be. They shouldn't be too hot. You should be able to put your hand on them easily. But yeah, trailer did perfect. It was about. So, yeah, let's. I'm just gonna throw a train around these things and go in because I'm tired. So, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I don't know. I had fun. I don't know if you did. Anyway, comment, rate, subscribe. You know the shtick. All right, get out of here. Happy Memorial Day.